little star, you've arrived. My name is Miss Sunny Bloom, and welcome back to Little Star's Garden. Every one of us has special star energies that help us understand how we shine, feel, and grow. Do you ever feel happiest when you set a goal and work step by step to reach it? Then today's star energy might feel just like you. Today, we're exploring Capricorn energy, a steady spark that helps us take things step by step and stay committed to our goals and celebrate each milestone along the way. Let's go have a seat in the garden and learn more about Capricorn energy.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Star's Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the Little Star's Garden, where dreams begin to grow. So come along, sing our song, let your little star glow. Little Star's Garden, let's shine.
This is Capricorn, one of our earth signs. Capricorn energy loves a steady climb, step by step, toward every goal on the mountain. Did you know that Capricorn is the 10th sign of the zodiac? If you celebrate your birthday between December 22nd and January 19th, you shine with Capricorn sun energy. But if your birthday falls at the beginning or end of that range, the sun may have been changing signs. So check a special sky map called a birth chart to see exactly where the sun was when you were born. Capricorn's symbol is the goat, small, strong, and never afraid of a rocky path. And did you know Capricorn's lucky color is stone gray, the solid shade of mountain rocks, because Capricorn is an earth sign, steady, practical, and grounded. Capricorn is famous for its determination, the part of us that says, keep going, we'll get there. But determination can shine in lots of different ways. Some kids with Capricorn energy are goal-getters. They time how fast they can finish a puzzle, practice basketball shots until they nail 10 in a row, or decide to read 5 books before the month ends, cheering each success like reaching a higher ledge. Other Capricorn kids are steady builders. They love big projects, but tackle them one clear step at a time. They plan a week-long Lego city, write today's tasks on a checklist, or save allowance until the jar is full. Both kinds of effort are pure Capricorn. Whether you push for a new personal best or build patiently, the same strength is working. Patience and persistence that help you reach the top. Close your eyes and remember a time you felt your own Capricorn sparkle. Did you rehearse a dance until every move felt solid? Did you keep stacking blocks higher and higher without giving up? Maybe you followed a homework checklist and felt awesome checking each box. Even if you're not a Capricorn sun, that's okay. We all have Capricorn moments, like finishing a long project, helping friends stay on task, or cheering ourselves on when things get tough. That steady sense of determination helps everyone shine. Our word of the day is determined. Determined means sticking with something until you succeed. On the count of 3, let's say determined together. 1, 2, 3. Determined!
Step by step I find my way, even if it takes all day. I won't give up, I've got a plan. I reach my goals the best I can. Some things grow a little slow, but I keep going row by row. Brick by brick, I build my dream with focus strong and steady steam. Climb with me, I'm determined. Strong inside, my fire is burning. feel big and tough. The work is slow, the climb is rough. But I remember what I've got, a steady heart, a glowing spark.
Can you think of a time when you kept going until you finished, even if it was hard? Now, let's see how Cliff the Capricorn Star shows steady determination.
Hello, little stars. I'm Cliff, and I love setting goals, whether it's building a tall stone wall or mastering a tricky melody on my horn. But lately, I've been so focused on finishing project after project that I barely notice how good it feels to be creating. I rush from task to task without enjoying the climb.
Capricorn energy thrives on achievement, but the joy is in the journey as well. Let's pause and rediscover why you love working hard in the first place.
I guess I started building the stone wall because I wanted to share a cozy path with my friends. And I might have imagined we'd toast marshmallows by the wall when it was done, but I forgot the marshmallows. So now I just count stones and check them off my list.
Let's remember your first spark. Close your eyes and picture the day you laid the very first stone. What did you feel?
I felt proud and excited, like I was making our garden a special place for everyone.
Wonderful. Let's bring that feeling back. Choose one stone you've already laid and place a bright flower or ribbon next to it, celebrating that milestone.
This ribbon reminds me why I started. Kindness and community. From now on, I'll mark each milestone with something beautiful, so I don't miss the joy in my climb.
Capricorn determination builds great heights, but remembering your why makes every step meaningful. Today's shine line is, I work steadily to reach success. Little stars, it's craft time. Today, we're making progress pebbles, your own collection of milestone stones that you'll move from to-do to done as you conquer each small step. You will need 6 to 8 smooth pebbles, paint pens or markers, 2 jars or containers labeled to-do and done, and stickers for extra sparkle. Feel free to pause the video while you gather your supplies, or if you need a little more time to complete a step. I'll be right here when you're ready. Lay out your clean, dry pebbles on a tray. Make sure they're not wet, so the paint or marker sticks. Use a paint pen or marker to write one number on each stone. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Under the number, you can draw or paste a tiny picture to remind you of what the step is, like a book, pencil, or star. Put all your pebbles in one jar. That's your to-do jar. Keep the done jar empty for now. Each time you finish a step, like doing your reading or tidying your desk, move a pebble to the done jar. Look how full it gets with your effort. Here's mine. I moved pebble number 1 to done after I read 5 pages of my book. Remember, little stars, every pebble you move is proof of your steady climb. Even a single stone in the dun jar shows you're closer to the top of your mountain. And when your dun jar is full, you can pour the pebbles out and celebrate. Maybe light a candle, do a happy dance, or tell someone about all the steps you took. That's your success ceremony. Let's say our shine line together. I work steadily to reach success. Little stars, Capricorn energy is all about staying steady and reaching goals, just like climbing a tall mountain, one thoughtful step at a time. Today's movement reminds us that each step forward matters, even when it's small. This move is called mountain steps. Let's climb together in place as we name the steps we take to reach something important. Step in place slowly, lifting one knee at a time. With each step, say a small action out loud, like listen in class or try again. After 4 steady steps, freeze and stand tall with your arms up like you've reached a mountaintop. Say, I did it, with a big smile. Let's practice together. Step 1, wake up early. Step 2, pack my bag. Step 3, ask for help. Step 4, finish strong. Mountaintop, I did it! When you practice mountain steps, you're helping your brain remember how to plan, follow through, and keep going, even when things are tough. That's the Capricorn way, strong and steady. Let's go again. This time, pick your own small steps. Think of something you want to work on and step your way there. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Mountaintop, I did it! Great job, little stars. You're showing up with strength and patience. Let's say our shine line together. I work steadily to reach success.
Some days I'm quiet, some days I roar, some days I rush, some days I explore. No right, no wrong, just who I am. Like waves that ripple or stars that expand. My feelings, my spark, my way to be are clues that help make sense of me. When I learn what's true inside, I find the tools that help me rise. This is my shine, this is my way. My natural energy shows the way. To laugh, to lead, to learn, to grow, to feel my light and let it show. Not just today, but every day. I shine my shine, I shine my way.
Today, we discovered how Capricorn energy helps us work hard and stay focused. We made progress pebbles to track our effort, practice our mountain steps, and learned from Cliff that slow and steady wins the race. This week, choose something you want to work toward, like learning a new skill or finishing something you started. Add a pebble or color a circle each time you make progress. Every little action counts. And if you miss a step or have to try again, that's okay. You can always move the same pebble forward tomorrow. Progress isn't always straight, but it's always climbing. Let's say our shine line together. I work steadily to reach success. You are strong, determined, and shining more each day. Let's do our starlight, star bright breath to feel calm and confident. Close your eyes if you like. Picture a glowing star in your heart. Breathe in, breathe out.
As you keep breathing, Imagine your shining star growing brighter with every inhale. Feel any worry or tension float away with each exhale, like little clouds drifting off into the sky. Give yourself one more gentle breath in and a long, calming breath
Now,
out.
open your eyes and see how calm you feel. You are a bright star just by being you. Thank you for sharing your light with me today. Until next time, keep shining in our little star's garden. Bye-bye. Want more music, laughs, and fun? Don't miss Garden Grooves next Saturday. It's a sing-along celebration with bonus songs, games, and our special puppet host. Get ready to groove and glow.
Cliff, I've noticed you haven't rested. Even a mountain needs flat ground to catch its breath.
I'm afraid if I pause, the garden will overgrow and I'll never finish building that fence.
Hi, grown-ups! Capricorn energy is determined, responsible, and incredibly capable. These kids often set high standards for themselves, but they need help remembering that rest, play, and small wins matter too. Here's how to support their steady shine. Celebrate effort, not just outcomes. Capricorn kids can be hard on themselves. Say, I saw how much you tried today. That matters more than getting it perfect. Use visible progress tools. Try the Progress Pebbles craft or a sticker chart. Every small step counts. Look how far you've come. This helps turn big goals into doable tasks. Watch for over-responsibility. These children may take on too much. If you hear, I have to do everything, respond with, you're helpful, but you don't have to carry it all. Let's share the load. Protect their soft side. Capricorn kids can hide sensitivity. Create time for unstructured play, gentle touch, and emotional check-ins, even if they say, I'm fine. Encourage flexible thinking. Their energy loves structure, but remind them, it's okay if the plan changes. We can climb a different way. With your guidance, your Capricorn child will learn that real success includes joy, rest, and self-trust, step by step.